over here. Boston baked beans for the deer. All right, you're gonna have to switch to grapes because what? Not there?
He locked her up.
You like those?
What you got? What you got over here? Okay, let me get my. What you got? Okay, let me see. Let me see.
He'll take them. Here, Rudy.
You like candy? You got some too?
Oh my God, he's a junkie like us. A
Okay,
junk
now
food
one over
eater.
There's one behind.
Oh no, looking at you all my
I can
baby.
spend my $6 on you.
Come here, Bambi. Come here, Bambi. Oh, you like a candy? Come here.